Hello all. As a part of Consumer Protection Act, today the topics which I am going to explain will be filing of complaints and also the redressal agencies which are there for clearing the grievances of the consumers. So to begin with the first topic, filing of complaints. So here you will be learning what are the appropriate forums where the complaints are to be filed, and also who can file the complaint, what kind of complaints can be filed, where the complaints can be filed, and how to file a complaint. So that will be basically what you will be learning about learning in filing of complaints. So to pick up the first point, who can file a complaint? It can be a consumer who's been affected because of the exploitation of that particular business organization will be filing the complaint, or it could be any authorized organization that can file the complaint, or it could be the state and central government organizations, or it could be one single person or more than one consumer who has got the same interest of towards the complaint can file a complaint by coming together, or it could be the legal representative or the legal heir of the consumer who is no more can file a complaint. Now, what kind of complaints can be filed is again if the consumer is affected because of any one, like we can say the unfair trade practice, or it could be any restrictive trade practice that the complaint can be put up against. In case if a defective product is given, supplied, or as promised the services are not provided, any deficiency in the services, or if the consumer is charged more price than the one which was specified in the list, or it could be the price which is there on the package, or otherwise the price which was agreed between both the parties. If the consumer is paying more, a complaint can be put up against that, or else in case if there is any consumer whose health has been affected because of the usage of this product or service, that is has endangered his physical safety, in such a moment also the complaint can be put up. So that was about what kind of complaints can be put up in these courts by the consumer. Now, where to file the complaint? Again, the judiciary mechanism which is there as per the Consumer Protection Act, we have different courts at a district level, state level, and national level. That is district forum, state commission, and national commission, which I'll be explaining very soon now in detail. So in district forum, the cases where the consumers, they have where the consumer is affected, the appeal can be done where the loss is below 20 lakhs, and in between 20 to 1 crore, in case if the consumer has been at loss, such cases has to be filed in state commission, and more than 1 crore in national commission. So that was about where to file the case and how to file the case. First of all, a written complaint has to be written. It can be given in person, or any authorized agent can give it, or else we can send it through post also. So this written complaint, it has to be attached with proper documents relating to this particular case, and the compensation required, or what is the relief which is the consumer is expecting for, is to be mentioned, when and where this has happened. Then the nature, description, and address of both the parties are to be clearly specified. So that is how the complaint will be lodged. So this is about filing of complaint. To speak about the redressal agencies as per the Consumer Protection Act, we have different courts at district level, state level, and national level. At district level, we have DCDRF, that is District Consumer Dispute Redressal Forum, and at state level, we have SCDRC, that is State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, and at national level we have NCDRC, that is National Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. So here when we are seeing these redressal agencies at district, state, and national, we'll be seeing three main levels. That is we'll speak about the composition at each level, and then their jurisdiction, and we'll also speak about the appeal which is done in these courts. So to begin with the district level composition, we have one chair. It has got one chairman and two members are there. One of them has to be a women, and it is headed by a person who is holding the rank of a district judge. To speak about the jurisdiction, here the complaints are to be, a written complaint has to be filed, and the complaints which are filed against the goods and services, or the compensation which is being claimed, it should not exceed 20 lakhs. And regarding the appeal, in case if the consumer is not happy with the decision which is given by the district court, as soon as the order is passed and within 30 days they can file a complaint. They can take this issue to the state commission. So that is about a district forum. About state commission composition, it has got a president, and not less than 2 members should be there. It could be more again as per the composition which is prescribed at that time, and again one of them have to be a woman, and it is presided, it is headed by a person who is holding the rank of high court judge. And speaking about the jurisdiction, again a written complaint has to be filed here for the goods and services, and also the complaint, the compensation claim which is more than 20 lakhs but again less than 1 crore. And regarding the appeal, in case if the consumer is not happy with the judgment given here in this court, they can take up this case to the next level, that is to the National Commission within 30 days from the order is being passed. And speaking about the National Commission now, it has been established in 1988. It is still there. It is there in Janpat Bhavan, New Delhi, on the 5th floor A wing of this building, this old Indian oil Bhavan. And here to speak about the composition, it has got a president, and not less than 4 members will be here. Members can be more, and one of them have to be a woman. And it is headed by a person who is holding the rank of he can be a sitting or a retired judge of Supreme Court. And regarding the jurisdiction, the cases which are filed here, again it is going to be regarding the goods and services, or the compensation which is going to be claimed, it has to be more than 1 crore. And regarding the appeal, in case if the consumer is not happy with the judgment given here, they can take the case to the Supreme Court within 30 days from the day of order has been passed. So that was about National Commission, and also National Commission has given the authority to have a check on State Commission. It's working. Any changes in the procedures can be done by them. Whatever pending cases or disposable of cases are to be there, that is looked after. So basically how this institution of State Commission is working, National Commission can keep a check. So this was about the redressal agencies which are available as per the Consumer Protection Act, dear students. Thank you for listening to the class today.